Alright guys, here we're taking a look at the Benchmade Fact. This is model number 417. It's an interesting knife, very slim, very long. Overall length is 8.72 inches and the blade is 3.95 inches of S30V steel, and it is a spear point. Now the handles are 4.77 inches and they are black aluminum with a stainless steel frame and liner. You've got a pocket clip right there for tip up right-handed or left-handed carry, and it is a deep carry clip, which is nice. It weighs 3.24 ounces, and here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. And in fact, we also have a black coated blade that you could buy. So go ahead and buy this one or the satin finish blade at bladehq.com. It is the Benchmade Fact.